Cancer, hi, welcome to Gold Tarot. Today I'm gonna do a reading for you guys. This is for the July month 2020. And thank you so much, guys, for your liking, subscribing, and sharing. Thank you so much for your beautiful comments on my channel, for your feedback, for your love. I'm wishing you so many blessings, happiness, abundance, prosperity, health, wealth, so many good vibes from me to you guys. So, yeah, Cancerians, let's start your reading. This is for the month of July 2020. Okay, so let's see what is coming for the Cancerians. What is coming for the Cancerians? Okay. What is coming for Cancers? July 2020. Okay. Clear message, please. Clear message. This is for the Cancerians. Okay. So let's see. Let's see. Okay, let's cut the deck for you guys. This is for the Cancer people for the month of July. Okay. So let's see. Wow, Hierophant, which is commitment, marriage, long-term partnership, also spiritual knowledge. So some of you are doing this or going into some kind of spirituality, which is great. Eight of Swords, Page of Swords, Eight of Cups. Six of Pentacles, Magician right in the heart of your spread. Wow, beautiful. Four of Pentacles, Knight of Pentacles, Judgment. This is the Judgment of the tarot. Here in this good tarot, this is called Empress. Wow, beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. Bottom of the deck we have King of Cups, which is you. Okay, Cancer, I'm feeling that some kind of commitment is coming your way during the month of July, and it must be a very beautiful commitment, must be a partnership in business and love. And for some of you, I'm feeling that both of you are going for the spirituality, for the knowledge of spirituality, and also you are working on yourself to have that stronger connection with the universe. Wow, beautiful. Okay, with the Eight of Swords, Page of Swords, and the Eight of Cups, I'm feeling that before in the past you were feeling very stuck, and also you were watching the person who walked away from your life. Yeah, see, you were feeling stuck because the person is not with you, and also you were keeping your eye on them because they have walked away from your life, and you want to know about them, like what are they doing, what are they eating, sleeping, whatever, like you want to know like if they are with anyone else. But I'm feeling that the person is single right now, still single, and they're working on something important, they're manifesting something. Yeah, this is you. You are feeling stuck because of nothing, like this is your mind's creation. Okay, and also someone is watching the person, maybe you or your family or whatever. Okay, with the Six of Pentacles, Magician, and the Four of Pentacles, I'm feeling that the person wants stability in their life. That's why they were also feeling stuck at that time with you, and they walked away from your life. Like, yeah, they were drained emotionally. That's why they walked away, and they were finding, now they are finding balance within their self, within their soul, spirit, mental, and as well as body. Okay, in their heart. So the person is manifesting something very important, and this is the Magician. They are actually manifesting something very important, and right now they are not telling you or anyone. Like they are silently working on their project, what are they doing, and they are not telling anyone because they think that when this will happen, everyone can see this. Like whenever their business or whatever they're doing is growing up, is grown, then everyone can see their business, everyone can see them. Okay, so right now they are working silently. Knight of Pentacles, Judgment, and the Empress, I'm feeling that Cancer, for some of you, You want to extend this offer because you think that this is your soulmate, this is your twin flame, this is your person with this judgment present here. And also you think that with them you can get that empress energy, like abundance, that prosperity, that wealth, that love, that happiness. Wow. So the person is really grounded and very, some of you are dealing with Scorpio, Libra, Taurus. Taurus is there twice, and yeah, Gemini, Virgo. Okay, so the person is actually very goal oriented, and they had set their goal and now they're working on it silently, because you didn't respond to them in the past with the Eight of Swords energy. That's why they're still single, but they're working on their stability right now. What is this Hierophant for the Cancerians? What is the Hierophant? Seven of Wands, Chariot, King of Swords. Star bottom of the deck, which is reconciliation, destiny, hope, miracles. Yeah, I'm feeling that you want to take the risk to come towards them, to offer them this commitment. But you know already that the person has become cold towards you. Okay, with the King of Swords energy, and I'm feeling that if you will come, like if you will go to them, they want communication first. They want to clear things out first, and then this. Yeah, this is your energy, Cancerian. Some of you are dealing with an air sign, Aries, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. Yeah, they will communicate first about what happened in the past, and then they will move forward with you with the Chariot energy, because with the Seven of Wands you want to take that risk to move forward, to speak to them. What is this Eight of Swords for the Cancerians? What is the Eight of Swords for the Cancerians? Two of Wands, Page of Wands, Two of Cups. Okay. So there was a decision which you didn't take at that time. That's why the stuckness has happened, because both of you love each other. Yeah, there is no doubt. Both of you love each other a lot, very much. With the Two of Cups energy, I hope you can see the cards. Yeah, but you didn't take that action or decision at that time. That's why the person, I'm feeling that the person wants commitment at that time, but you didn't tell them anything, and that's why they walked away from your life, and now they're working on their stability, and you are feeling stuck right now, because love is there, no doubt. What is this Eight of Cups for the Cancerians? Eight of Cups. Wow. Yeah, they were not happy at that time because you were not making any decision, and that's why they are seeking happiness. That's why they walked away. Queen of Wands, Seven of Swords. Yeah, okay, I'm feeling that they think that you are not loyal with them. That's why you are not offering commitment, or if they were offering commitment, you were not accepting that. Yeah, this is the vibe I'm getting from these, because they think that with you they were very happy with you, but when you didn't accept their commitment offer or whatever they were giving you as an offer, you reject them. They walked away and they were seeking their happiness in something else. True happiness. This is the true happiness they want with you at that time, and they think that you were just a passionate person and not committed. Yeah, and with the Seven of Swords, yeah, this is sneakiness, this is, dishonesty. Okay, and I'm feeling that the person you're dealing with is very beautiful, because we have Queen of Wands here, like very magnetic attraction you were feeling towards them, but they want commitment, and then passion. Wow, very like gorgeous person. Yeah. Magician for the Cancerians. What is this magician for the Cancerians? Ten of Pentacles, Six of Swords, Fool. Wow. So right now you want to manifest them in your life as a husband or wife material, because you think that they are very loyal with you, and like, because they're single right now, so you think this is your, back of your mind is telling you that they were the person, they were the only one. Yeah, so that's why you are still thinking about them, and you want to take that risk again. This is, you want to take that risk to come towards them, and yeah, you want to travel towards them with the Six of Swords energy. I'm feeling that you are going with the flow, and you are telling yourself that, yeah, this is my person, I will take risk, I will go towards them, I will take a leap of faith towards them, because universe is with me, and universe is keep telling you that, come on, take that action with this magician, because magician has every tool. They have each and every tool they want, they need actually. So you have right now each and every tool, so go get them. Go get them, Cancer. This is your season. This is your beautiful season. Okay, so let's see what is this judgment about. What is this judgment for the Cancerians? What is this judgment? Three of Wands. Again, travel. Queen of Cups, here you are. Three of Pentacles. Wow. I'm feeling that you are very desperate to work things out with them, because you know, now you realize that, yeah, they were right at that time. This is the vibe I'm getting. In July, you want to work things out with them, and you want to collaborate with them, and you want to speak about your feelings towards them. And if you have to travel, definitely you will travel towards them, to tell them and to see them that, yeah, love you. What is this Empress? What is this Empress for the Cancerians? Wow. Wheel of Fortune, beautiful. Ooh, Tower. Ooh, 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 ooh. Seven of Pentacles. Okay. Here is the King of Pentacles. Maybe some of you are dealing with Capricorn, Taurus, and Virgo. Fire signs are here. Air signs are here. Yeah, everyone is here. Okay, Empress is clarified with Wheel of Fortune, Tower, and the Seven of Pentacles. So see, you know what? Universe knows that your person is waiting for you. Your person is waiting for the universe decision. Like, when will universe listen to them? Because they have worked on their selves. They have gone through their dark night of the soul. They have now trying to balance their self in their surroundings. If the people are not matching their frequency or energy level, they're trying to be patient. They're trying to be patient, and this is the patient card with the Seven of Pentacles. I'm feeling that your abundance is only with this person, because universe has decided this person for you, because we have Wheel of Fortune and the Tower moment. This is a Tower moment for them, like this is a surprise for them, because Wheel of Fortune with the Tower is a beautiful lucky surprise. So I'm feeling that universe is also giving them a surprise, because wheel is turning in your favor and in them as well. The breakup was happened because of that decision, because you were not taking any decision. That was your decision. Like, this is also a decision, that I'm not taking any decision. This is a decision, simple. But now universe is pushing you and pressuring, like putting the pressure to you that, come on, take that decision. This is your destined person. This is your destined person, Cancer. Listen to them, go towards them. Wow, beautiful. Go towards them, because here is your abundance. So we have so many divine intervention cards in your reading, and I'm feeling that you are manifesting with universe, co-creating with the universe, with the help of the universe. Wow. So Cancer, in the month of July both of you will meet. I'm feeling like this because we have Judgment and then Two of Cups and then the Wheel of Fortune. So you have completed something very important in your life and you have learned that lesson. Now things are coming to fruition for you. Beautiful, beautiful. So this is I have for you, Cancer. I hope this will resonate with you. If it is, you can give this video a thumbs up and you can subscribe to my channel if you like what I do. Also, you can share it with your friends and family if you find it helpful, and you can give me your suggestions in the comment section down below. So yeah guys, bye.